Stop using cracked Microsoft Office. And this is serious, guys. In 2026, KMS activators and pirated Office installers are infected with malware that steal your password, cryptocurrency, bank detail, and personal file. A hacker was literally arrested in 2025 for infecting whopping 2.8 million PCs through fake KMS Auto tool. And in this video, I will be talking about what happened when you install cracked Office, what malware actually runs in background, and what it steals from your PC. And if free is the reason why you are installing this, I will put a video where I discuss about 5 completely free and legal way to use Microsoft Office without risking everything. So from the front, you will not see anything happening. It looks clean. You may not even differentiate between a cracked version versus a genuine version of Office. The cracked version of Office install normally and behave normally. But in your background, you have installed and provided access to a trojan that generally hacker use to control your PC. Not only that, hacker also install cryptocurrency miner that use your CPU, GPU silently. Many KMS tool also comes with malware downloader, which download more viruses using Telegram. Or one may also see proxy tool that route illegal traffic through your PC. There can also be anti-antivirus module specifically target and disable your security software so none of above get detected. As I was mentioning, in December 2025, a 29-year-old man from Lithuania was arrested. He modified the popular KMS Auto tool and embedded a clipboard stealing malware inside it. The malware was clipboard stealer. That for one may look a very small thing, but for example, if somebody copied a password or maybe a cryptocurrency wallet address, the malware silently replace it with hacker address. So when you paste and you send money, but it goes to hacker and you do not notice until it's too late. Not only that, the malware installed by this corrupted Office can also steal and extract every password that you have saved in your Chrome, Firefox, and Opera. Not only that, the credit card number information is also stored in your browser. So if you have ever clicked save card during your online shopping, you are ready to deliver that information to that malware. Some variants also take screenshot of your desktop every few minutes. For example, your Aadhaar detail, PAN card, photos, and it can be anything, it can be your private document, anything that is visible on your computer screen. And this happens silently, no pop-ups, no warning. The cracked Office work perfectly. That's the whole trick. And not only that, there is legal risk involved. Different countries have got different copyright act that may cause imprisonment, which kind of vary based on your country and region. Well, this is common for big companies, but if you ask me, will Microsoft come after you personally at home? Well, probably not. But if you run a business, freelance, or a coaching center, then you can be a target of Microsoft. I know what you are thinking. You might have scanned your package through antivirus and it says clean. Let me explain why that doesn't mean what you think. Crackers use packers that encrypt the malware, so your antivirus can't read its signature. By the time it unpacks in your memory, your antivirus already been neutralized by anti-antivirus module. So what should we do? As I said, I am attaching a video where I'm going to talk about 5 free and legal alternative of Microsoft Office. And I will also quickly name them in this video as well. So the first method is getting Office Online, which is not only completely 100% free, but also provide you the latest and greatest feature Microsoft Office has to offer that even those cracked versions cannot. Second is, if you want offline variant, it is absolutely free for students. You may also try Office mobile apps that are also free available. And if you want completely free offline, you do not meet any criteria, you can use tools like LibreOffice and Google Docs. And let's say you are in doubt and you are using cracked Office and you are thinking that my system became slow after installing Office, then what we can do here is you can simply open Task Manager And look if your CPU is idling is above 30 or 40% while you are simply in idle mode. If so, then it may be possible that you might have crypto miner installed. To avoid or to come out from these kind of situation, what we can do is we can run Windows Security Full Scan, and your Windows 11 actually comes with antivirus package. All you need to do is you need to type Windows Security, and then from here you simply click on scan option and go with full scan. Then there is one very popular free software which I guess you might be aware of, known as Malware. Simply search for Malware and download it and run it. This of course have got paid plan, but you can also go with free download as well. And if you are still in kind of doubt whether the method we explained worked or not, then one precaution that you can take is you can change all your password to make sure that the saved password which hacker might have taken may cause nothing to you. And that's all guys from my side in this video. Hope that you find this helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to office productivity. And I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.